Hey scholars, so this is 2.9, justifying steps using algebraic properties. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into our warm-up. I'm going to zoom in real quick a little bit. All right, so our warm-up, it says look at the steps when solving. So this is our original, right? So this is my original equation. That's why they wrote that. How did they get from here to here? Well, you notice that the parentheses are gone, so they use distributive property. So now, how did they get from distributive property to here? What did they do? What's missing? How did they get it? Step one was combine like terms. As you can see, 3x and 2x, when you add them together, you get a 5x. So now, how did they get from here to here? What do you see? What's missing? What did they do? Okay, it's addition. Addition property. This negative 6 is gone now. So when you add 6 to both sides, 4 plus 6 is 10, and this cancels out, leaving the 5x all alone. Last step, what are they doing from here to here? What's happening? What's going on? They're dividing. They are dividing. You can see that they're now dividing 5 to both sides. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and you get canceled out. All right, let's keep going. All right, so this equation, a lot is quite happening. So we are going to break it down piece by piece and try to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so first my question, what value of x will make the perimeter, what does perimeter mean? Add all sides together. So perimeter of the triangle, and we have equal to. So that means I'm going to set it equal to the perimeter of the square. So let's look at my triangle. I have 2x, 2x, and x minus 8. So I need to add all of these sides together. So 2x plus 2x plus x minus 8. That is all the sides of this triangle, okay? Now look at this square, because I have to set it equal to. Now, it says that this side is x plus 2. Well, that means this side is also x plus 2. This side is x plus 2. And this side is x plus 2. Instead of writing x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, is there another way that I can write this to make it more simple to solve? Yes. Instead of writing all of this, I can multiply it by 4. So, 4x plus 2. All right, so this is my given. This is my first. My justification is given. All right, now, do I have parentheses to get rid of? Yes, I need to clear on this side the parentheses. So 4x, or 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. Perfect. All right, so now let's just bring this down. So 2x plus 2x plus 8 minus, or x minus 8. All right, this is 2. So my justification for 2 was distributive property. All right, next step. All right, so this is going to be 3. Step 3 is combine like terms. Do I have like terms on this side to combine? Yes, I have 2x plus 2x plus x. So what is 2x plus 2x plus 1x? It's 5x. All right, minus 8. Do I have any like terms on this side to combine? No. So let's go ahead and just bring them down. All right. So that means step 3 was combine like terms. All right. Next step, I need to move the smaller variable using the inverse to both sides. What's my smaller variable, 5x or 4x? 4x. What's the inverse of this 4x? Negative 4x. And so I need to subtract to both sides. All right, so this cancels. We get 5x minus 4x is 1x. So 1x minus 8 equals 8. Now, this was step 4. Step 4, we had to subtract 4x to both sides. So that was the subtraction property. Okay. I'm going to take this down just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't mess up too much. Actually, I'm going to have to erase a little bit in order to... Okay, it's fine. So I'm going to continue to write over here. So my final step is I need to move the constant, okay? So, because I need to get x completely by itself. So what's the inverse of a negative 8? Positive 8. So I need to add 8 to both sides. All right? So this cancels out. What's 8 plus 8? 16. So x equals 16. So step 5 was addition because I had to add 8 to both sides. All right. So now we have this equation up here, and I'm going to erase, and that way we have I have a little bit of room to write. So it says, what is the perimeter of each figure? So we've just learned that x equals 16, okay? So I'm going to take my my equation, right? And when I added all the sides, I'm going to replace x with 16, okay? So that is 2, plug in 16, plus 2, plug in 16, plus x, which is 16, minus 8. And you can put this directly in your Desmos calculator, and it's going to get you 72. I'm going to do the same thing with on the other side, the right side. So 4, plug in 16 for x, plus 2. And again, you can put this directly in your Desmos calculator, and it's going to get you 72. So that means both of these are equal to 72. So that means we did it right. All right, let's go ahead and flip it onto the back and finish this out. All right, you're going to have to bear with me because I can't show it all at the same time. Okay, so first, can I use distributive property? Yes, I can. I have these parentheses. Let's distribute and get rid of them. 0.5 times 5x is 0.5x. 0.1 times 10 is 1. Now I have to bring down the rest of my problem. Okay? How did I get from here to here? Distributive property. Okay, so justification is distribute. All right. Can I combine like terms? Yes. So, like term, like term. When I add them together, I get negative 1.5 x plus 1 and 6 plus x on this side. This was combine like terms. All right. So I have to move my screen down, meaning I have to erase. Actually, I think I will erase this, and hopefully maybe we can make our way. Nope. Okay. However, maybe I can... It'll be okay. Okay, so we combined like terms. So I'm going to rewrite. You do not have to rewrite this. I'm just trying to figure out the best way. And then now it's combined like terms. So, alright. So now, are there variables on both sides? Did I accidentally put a Y? Oh, that's an X. Okay, let me fix that. Alright. Let's try this again. Are there variables on both sides? Yes. Which one's my smaller variable? Negative 1.5x. So I need to do the inverse, and I need to add to both sides. Alright, so this means we have 2.5x plus 6 equals 1. Alright, because I added, the justification is addition. Okay, so now, is there anything being added and subtracted? Yes. This 6 is being added to my coefficient. This is my constant. Again, I need to do the opposite, and this is a positive 6, so negative to both sides. Cancels, we get